Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Thursday, July the 30th. Well, a bullish day today in terms of the colour of the body of the candle, and instantly we can see that the colour of the candle has changed, and that's the beauty of using candlestick charts, that we can instantly see whether a market is bullish or bearish on the day. We can see whether the bulls or the bears have made net progress. And here we can see that the candle is green, and that means that the bulls have made net progress from the open to the close. So the bulls have some strength in this market. Unfortunately, though, the market could not close up above the midpoint level, which means the bulls didn't gain control of the market, though. Even though they're the stronger party here, they still haven't gained control. The bears haven't gained control either. So when the market is closing in the middle of the range, it means that neither side has control. It also shows the long shadow on top of the candle. And this is the market trying to trade up to the 1,000 level. And we've identified this 1,000 level as being quite a big level. Everyone in the market is watching it, so it's going to be quite significant. So what we want to see is a strong close up above there, and we actually identified the 1007 level some time ago as an area of resistance, and eventually we'd like to see a solid close up above that level as well for the market to continue appreciating. Now the shadow on the top represents price rejection by the bears, so the market's attempted to trade up to around the 1000 level, just testing the waters, so to speak, and sellers coming in. So it's the normal sort of pattern that we'd see when a market's approaching a big round number like that. The good thing is that the market didn't sell off substantially, and the bears couldn't take control of the market as we sold off from up around that level. Now we do also have a new first time frame uptrend. So we have a higher high and a higher low, which is what we expected the market would do, because the market entered the previous first time frame downtrend on very indecisive candles, on candles that weren't terribly bearish at all, where the buyers were continually coming in and buying the market. So it's little wonder that we had a strong net gain for today's trading. Now just looking at the Ichimoku indicators, we're trading up above the cloud or the Kumo, which means that the market has a positive bias, and we're trading up above both the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, and the Tenkan-sen is above the Kijun-sen, and both are pointing up fairly sharply. Now, with the Tenkan-sen, we know that when it's pointing up sharply, it means that the market has some very strong upside short-term momentum, and it tends to act as an area of support or resistance. So here, roughly, and this is quite rough, but the market has acted as some sort of, the Tenkan-sen has acted as some sort of support for the market. So for the next day's trading, if the market can't close up above these levels, and we'll probably test this 1000 level again, we need to watch the low of the current candle, and if that's taken out, then we should look for support at the Tenkan-sen, which is the normal thing for the market to do. And we want to watch how the market behaves if it does trade down to that Tenkan-sen. But importantly, it's essential for this market to close up above this 1000 level with a solid close, not just an indecisive close. We want to see a solid close above the 1000 and the 1007 level.